Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right, guys, this video is dedicated to container gardeners. All right, so this is gonna be a series. This is gonna be a container garden series where I'm gonna show you how this is the area. In this area right to the border right here, I'm gonna be doing a container garden just for my viewers, just for my container garden viewers. I'm gonna do a garden right in this area. So this is the first video and this is part one. All right, what I'm gonna be doing here, I'm gonna be planting different type of food, different type of herbs, but it's only gonna be in containers. I'm gonna give you the whole rundown. I'm gonna give you the whole series of what's actually going on, what I'll be putting in the container, and how I'll be planting and what I'll be growing. So this will be a series you definitely want to tune into, because it will be excited, it will be interested, because I'm going to show you from start to finish. This is some of the containers I already invest into. This is just for my viewers and my supporters and all who decide to join this channel. Don't forget, guys, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. This is two containers I buy as a package. The truth is, I don't have to do container garden, but this is just for my viewers and my subscribers and my supporters. This is just an idea I'm actually giving you here right now. This is just, I'm just showing you how you can turn a small space, just a small space, into a big, beautiful garden. This is part one, and this is just the beginning. This is how I'm going to be laying the containers. If you notice the size of the container, they're pretty big, pretty deep. This could house a nice root, a plant with a nice size root. This is good for herbs. This is pretty good. You could plant different type of herbs in this one. You also could plant okra. You could plant pepper inside of this. We also have two 5-gallon bucket where we're gonna be using as well. This good for house pepper, it's good for house okra. So this is what we're doing right now, guys. So this is part one, and this whole area gonna be container garden. This is just for my viewers, my subscribers, everyone who decide to tune in and watch this journey. You will enjoy it, you will love it, and you will learn a whole lot from this journey. I'm gonna show you how I set up the containers. I'm gonna show you what I put in it, and I'm gonna be using right in this area. This is where I'm getting my soil. I'm not going nowhere and buy no soil. And don't forget, you don't have to go out there and spend a bunch of money on containers. All we're looking for is production, and make sure the container is big enough. All right, so thank you, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.